everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the US, then go ahead and comment done to be automatically entered. And jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced concealer and I just used that as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I set it in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the ColourPop She's a Rainbow palette, and I absolutely love this palette. It has a bunch of bright colors, which I find so fun to work with, and yeah. The first shade that I went in with is this pale pink shade, and I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. And you don't have to be too precise with this step because we're just applying it to the general crease area. And then next I went in with a defined angled brush and I went into this pale purple shade. And I just put that a little bit above where my actual crease is, going in back and forth motions, starting to map out where I want to start to add that depth in my crease. And then I went back into a little bit of a pencil brush, but it's a little bit thicker and fluffier than a regular pencil brush, if that makes sense. And I went back in with that first pink shade just to really blend out that line. And then I went into this darker matte purple shade that's a little bit more vibrant, and I took a defined angled brush and I put that directly over top of where we applied the previous purple eyeshadow, just really adding more depth and creating a little bit more darkness in the crease. And then I went back into that previous purple shade and the first pale pink shade that we went in with, and I just went in back and forth motions, really blending that line out. And then I grabbed those two matte purple eyeshadows once again and I packed that all over my outer lid, fading it inward. And when I first initially pick up that product, I'm focusing on the outer edge first, where the most pigment is, and then fading it as we go into the inner lid area. And then I went into my Too Faced concealer once again and I just cleaned up the lid space because I feel like it just makes the eyeshadow that we apply on top a lot more vibrant. And it just makes the look a lot more sharp. And for the lid, I went in with this Super Shock shadow from ColourPop in the shade Tassel. This is from the Halo Top collection. And yeah, I really love this eyeshadow. I feel like it had such good pigment. And I just applied that all over the inner part of my lid. And I feel like it had really nice reflex as well. It almost looked like a glitter even though it was just a Super Shock eyeshadow. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes. For those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, and we always leave a link in the description box where you guys can check out our lashes. I went in with the style Barbados, which is one of our more dramatic styles, but one of my favorites. Next, I went into that first pale pink eyeshadow and I just started to put that all over my lower lashes, starting to add that depth. And then I went into that lighter purple shade and I focused it really close to the lash line on the outer corner of the lower lashes. And then the last thing that I did was I grabbed some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notifications on. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You made this mess and left me